In a significant announcement on Saturday, December 23rd, the head of Ukraine's Eastern Rite Catholic Church, Major Archbishop Sviatoslav Shevchuk, made it clear that the recent document endorsed by Pope Francis permitting blessings for same-sex couples does not extend to his church and its teachings. According to Shevchuk, the Vatican document specifically addresses the pastoral meaning of blessings in the Latin Church with no references to issues governing the Eastern or Greek Catholic Church. Shevchuk said in a statement, "Thus, this declaration applies solely to the Latin Church and has no legal force for the faithful of the Ukrainian Greek Catholic Church." He said a blessing could not be separated from the Church's teachings and can in no way contradict the teachings of the Catholic Church about the family as a faithful, indissoluble, and fertile union of love between a man and a woman. The Eastern Rite Church follows rites akin to the Orthodox faith while maintaining communion with Rome through a 16th century agreement. Suppressed during Soviet times, the church, with approximately 4.5 million parishioners, constituting around 10% of Ukraine's population, now operates openly. Responding the recent Vatican document, it stipulates the Roman Catholic priests have the discretion to offer blessings to same-sex couples, provided these blessings are separate from standard church rituals or liturgies. This marks a notable development in the Church's stance on same-sex unions. The document emphasizes that the blessings for same-sex couples, as endorsed by the Vatican, symbolize God's inclusive welcome, but explicitly cautions against conflating these blessings with the sacrament of heterosexual marriage. In Ukraine and other former Soviet states, progress is being made in the realm of gay rights, with Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky expressing sympathy for the cause. However, he has ruled out constitutional changes permitting same-sex marriages amid the ongoing conflict in the country. This delicate balance between progress and limitations underscores the complex landscape of LGBTQ+ rights in the region.